Linking your bank account to Kayak can help streamline your travel expenses and manage bookings more efficiently. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Open the Kayak app or website. Start by launching the Kayak app on your mobile device or visiting the Kayak website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the Profile section. Click on it to access various account management features. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Within the Account Settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account. This is where you will add your bank account information. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review everything and confirm the details. Click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Kayak account, allowing for easier management of your travel expenses.